So I got my rigid toolbox, as you can see right here. This clip came off. So what I did was I drilled 2 holes in there. This one I need to make a little bit bigger so it can be symmetrical. This goes in there like that. Let's see how it goes in there like that. It sits down. Oh, I might have it backwards. Okay, here we go. So, alright. It sits back on it like that. It closes. So you want to make sure the holes it's kind of in alignment. That's basically what I'm doing. And then next thing I'm gonna do is take one of these here bolts and put me on a washer and a nut on the other side of it. So I'm gonna just take it, put it in there like that. I got the nuts in the other hand. This one kind of sticky because this clip right here is bent. Open it up. Then just put it on the ground. See if that coming on this back side. Oh yeah, that's working. That's what I want. Close that up from the back. And I'll take my 2 nuts. Then I'm gonna go and get my other tool. I'm gonna get hurt my foot. I'm gonna get my impact drill. No more playing, all done. And we're gonna see which one we're gonna need. Let's see. It might be, like it's like 8mm or 9mm or something. Let's try 9mm. These are always something that's so good. Let's see if it's gonna fit. No, I think that's gonna fit. No. 10mm. Oh, yeah, that's a good fit. So let's do that. Screwdriver, Phillips head. If you can see, we want to take this Phillips head and put it in that head of that bolt right there, so we can have something to brace it on as we tighten it up. You know you got it in the right place when you can turn it. You can see it moving on the other side. Actually, as I'm turning it right here, I'm tightening it up without me even having to use my drill. But hold on, I'm gonna still use the drill. Hold on. So the problem here is my impact socket set is not deep enough. It's too shallow. So that's basically the reason why it won't catch on the other side. But that's fine. It's tight enough. It don't need to be crazy tight anyway. So I'm gonna just tighten up this side over here too. And then we're gonna be done. See, it's tightening up already. Naturally, it's gonna tighten up. That's good. I mean, I'm glad I don't have to struggle too bad. So, just tighten it up as much as you can with your hands. It's on there. Let's see if this even fits. Okay, so a little bit off alignment. Yeah, it's a little bit off. Let's see if that makes the same. Huh. That goes all the way up. This doesn't go all the way up. Oh, okay, I see. Right here. It's not supposed to be on that lip. Up here, it's just below the lip. See how I can go? It's be able to go behind that lip right there. And then right here, that's the lip. And here's one right here. So, as I'm lifting it up, it can't back up the way it's supposed to back up, so I gotta take this off now. Alright, so basically what I did was, where you see the two holes I took the drill, and let me see if I can like stand this up or something. So look, took the drill. Let me back up off this. Can I back? I can't back up. Took the drill, stuck it in the original hole. Stuck it in the original hole. Turned the drill on, and then I had to move the drill in the up position, like going up like this. And as I did that, it gave me more room going up so that I could press the whole hardware system up. And as I pushed the whole hardware system up, it gave me the ability to be able to be in this tolerance. Now I am still just a little bit below, probably about an 1/8 inch off, but it ain't supposed to be but so close, because it's also got that small groove back in here too. You gotta be concerned about that. And then when you come over here, you see the way this one moves. See how much more close it is. The tolerances is real close. It's almost touching. Like it's super close. And it's got a little play. Yeah, versus over on this side, you know, it still got a little bit of play. But for the most part, when it close up, it's got a real tight close. Yeah, on this side, it's actually got a loose close. Let me see if it's just, no, it's just got, this is a loose close now. There's not nothing stopping it. It's crazy. It seems like the seal right here is kind of off too. Man, I did that. It's supposed to. Anyway, it don't really matter too much. I mean, I done used this 2 box for a while, but something like this shouldn't have broke that easily. I mean, just to put something like some hardware that simple on there. I mean, you could have put you could put rivets in here. You could have put rivets here from the factory. Rivets don't cost that much. But at the end of the day, it ain't nothing but plastic. It ain't nothing but plastic, man. I wouldn't be, you know, trying to make it super Fort Knox locked up. Cause, I mean, I can go put my locks and shit on there and everything like that. But so I can put my locks on there and it's still, like, these locks won't never come off. So I can put my locks on there and lock it up. Nobody gonna be able to get it off like that. You know, if I really wanted to lock it up, you know, if I had it out somewhere. But it's still made of plastic. It's fixed. It's got the same amount of play on both sides. So I say that this job is done. Thanks to Milwaukee. These are also Milwaukee's. So, and Boyer and Swan Lake. This is a great company, highly advised.